I'm going to show you how to make this moving graphic in Canva. Let's go. This Canva hack is awesome, so I just had to hop on here super fast today and show you. We're going to have our free Canva account, canva.com. We're going to go over here to create a design, and then I just personally like the size of Facebook ads, so I'm just going to click on that one. It's going to open up a new screen for us. Here we go. And then we're going to start creating our moving text. Now, if we go over here to elements, that's where we're going to find a video to go back here. So what's our theme today? We'll do outer space. So we'll go into videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill up the entire background here. I just took my son to the Space Center down in Florida, and so we're all about space right now. Okay, so here we are. So we're going to go back to elements, and we're going to type in letter, and then you'll see down here it says frames. So we're going to click frames, and these are all of our letter frames. And so we can start typing out anything that we want. And so I'm just typing out space. Here. So we're going to go here and we're just going to tidy these up a little bit. I just selected all of them. I'm going to click position. Okay, so as you can see, if we play this right now, you can see the outer space stuff happening in the background, right? So let's go back to design. We'll go into templates. Sometimes you have to refresh. I'm going to refresh so that it comes up on recently used. So if we hit that refresh button, under elements. So we'll click elements, see all, recently used. Now, what we're going to do in order to make these letters move in tandem with the background. So we have our little space video here. I'm going to click it once, see how it drops in right there. And now I'm going to select it and move it so it snaps into the S. Now, right now, this image in the S and this image, they're not lined up because it made the video smaller to fit inside the S. So what we're going to do is we're going to click, double click, and stretch. And we're going to move. So we're lining up the edges here. So we're making it as big as the background. See that? So, and you'll be able to see, you see that little transparency, how we can line it up. That's what we want. So we're going to line it up as best that we can, and you'll see that that letter starts to disappear. It's kind of hard to see. So if you want to line it up even better, boom, look at that. Woo, that looks good. And we're going to do that for every single letter. Drop, drop, drop. We'll go back, we'll adjust. Okay, so once, you can't even see the letters right now. A is not on perfectly. I need to adjust that one a little bit. That's okay. You'll get the idea. So now what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the background and we're going to adjust the transparency. All right, so then what you're going to do, you can bump this all the way down. If you want to see a little bit, you can bump it all the way down, and this is what you're left with. How cool is that? You can use this on web pages, you can use it in, ads, Instagram, anything you want. I just think it's a super cool effect. I hope this was helpful. Let me know any questions that you have in the comments, and be sure to subscribe. Bye.